Hi everyone. In this session, we will discuss about state space concept. So first of all, what is state space? State space is nothing but it's a set of all possible configurations of a system. Or simply we can say that state space search or state space concept is nothing but so we will have the initial state and we will have the goal state. So we will perform some actions. We will do some actions or we will perform some operations in reaching from initial state to the goal state. So we are in search of a goal state. Okay. So here what we do is first let us suppose we have started at initial state. So here we have performed some operations or we have performed some set of actions or some set of operations. Thereby we get a new state. Now we will check whether this new state is closer to the goal state or not. If that new state is closer to the goal state, then we will assume that new state as the current state. Now the new state is treated as the current state. Now on that current state, again we will apply some operations, some set of operations or some set of actions we will perform. And again we will get another new state. Now again we will check whether that new state is closer to the goal state or not. If it is closer to the new state, again we will treat that new state as the current state. Otherwise, we will ignore that new state and again we will perform some other set of operations or another set of actions. We will keep on doing this unless until we reach the goal state. Okay. So, whatever the sequence or whatever the sequence of operations or whatever the process that takes place in reaching from initial state to goal state, we simply call them as state space or state space search. Okay. So, here the state space concept or state space search or any problem can be defined by using four tuples. They are nothing but the first one is defined with capital S, indicates set of states. Second one is capital I, which indicates initial state. Next one is capital O, which indicates operator. Operator is nothing but whatever the operation or whatever the action we have performed. The next one is capital G, it is goal state. Here we have to remember two things. The first one is we may have more than one goal state. We may have more than one goal state. That is the first one which we have to remember. The second one is in reaching the goal state, we may have more than one path. We may have more than one path for reaching the goal state. The same goal state or the same final state or goal state can be reached by using more than one path. That is the second one which we have to remember. Okay. Coming to next one is what's a plan? A plan is nothing but a sequence of actions taken by an agent. Who is an agent? We the human beings, we all are agents. If you want to perform any actions, if you want to go anywhere, we will have a certain plan. Suppose if you are planning to a tour to Bangalore, Mysore, Ooty, so we will plan on so and so date. Suppose the coming Saturday night we will start here. Sunday morning we will stop in Bangalore. Okay. Sunday the entire day we will visit Bangalore. Okay. Sunday night we will start to Mysore. So Monday morning we will step in Mysore. Monday whole day we will roam or we will visit Mysore. So Monday night we will move to Ooty. Like that we will have certain plan. Okay, that is plan. Okay, sequence of actions. Solution plan is nothing but sequence of actions taken by an agent to reach the goal state. So here the solution plan means by keeping in view of the goal state. By keeping in view of the goal state. Suppose if you are planning to get or grab a job in a top company, top MNC company, suppose if it is TCS or Infosys, that is if that is your goal state, so what you have to do, so what the Infosys company is asking or what the TCS company is asking, they are asking coding, okay, or they are asking aptitude reasoning. So you have to prepare, you will prepare the aptitude reasoning as well as the coding skills very thoroughly. So means here what you are doing is, by keeping in view of your goal state, you are planning accordingly. That is solution plan. By keeping in view of the goal state, we will plan accordingly. For example, nowadays we are getting IPL matches. So IPL matches, so most probably some of the captains, after winning the toss, they plan for bowling first. Why? Because when they come to bat, they will have some fixed target in their mind. So they will see, suppose if the first team, if the opponent plays and if they score 170 or 171, so the persons who are the team which is going to bat for the second time in the second innings, they will have the target fixed. So they will see, yes, 172. So 172 means we have to start getting the runs around 8 to 9 runs per over. Like that, they will have some solution plan. That's what. So here the best example for state space concept or state space search is the 8 puzzle problem. The 8 puzzle problem. See here, this first box is the initial state. Here the first box, if you see, this is the initial state. This is the initial state. Whereas this is goal state. This is goal state. This is initial state. So what we have done, so this is the initial state, this is the goal state. So here the initial state, by keeping in view of the goal state, we have performed different operations by using move up, move right, move down, move left. These are the operations or actions we have used. These are the operations or actions we have used. See here, we have moved up. The 8 is moved up. See, 8 is moved up. Means here we have used the action up. So next, 6 is moved to right. So 6 is moved to here, means move right. Next, 7 is moved down. 7 is moved down. So 7 is moved down. Next we have 8 is moved to left. 8 is moved to left. Thereby we have reached the goal state. So that is, the 8 puzzle problem is the best example for state space search or state space concept. Okay, right? So similarly we have some more examples. So in addition to the 8 puzzle problem, we have many more examples like 8 queens problem, water jug problem, cannibal missionaries problem, etc. You know what is 8 queens problem? What is 8 queens problem? 8 queens problem is nothing but, in a single chessboard we have to place 8 queens. Here in chessboard, queens are nothing but ministers. We have to place 8 ministers such that no minister should collide with any other minister. Means we have to place 8 queens such that no queen has to collide with any other queen. Okay, that is 8 queens problem. Coming to the water jug problem, we have already discussed in the earlier classes. Again we will see what is water jug problem. Water jug problem is nothing but, so here we will have 2 jugs. One is capable of storing 4 liters of water and the other is capable of storing 3 liters of water. What we have to do is, initially these 2 jugs are empty. 4 liter jug is empty, 3 liter jug is empty. What is the goal state? Finally we have to maintain exactly 2 liters of water in 4 liter jug. That is the goal state. So in reaching the goal state, we will perform different actions or different operations. Okay, so all those are nothing but different set of states or different operations or sequence of operations or sequence of actions. Okay, so whatever the process we do from initial state to reach the goal state, we simply call it as state space search. Okay, so coming to the next one, it is cannibal and missionaries problem. Cannibals and missionaries problem is nothing but, this also we have discussed in the last class, in the earlier classes, but again we will see once. So cannibals and missionaries problem is nothing but, we will have 3 cannibals and 3 missionaries at one end of the river. What we have to do is, we have to take these 3 cannibals and 3 missionaries to the other end of the river. So in doing that, so what are cannibals? Cannibals are nothing but human eaters. Missionaries are nothing but very good human being. So we have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals at one end of the river. what we have to do is we have to take these 6 people, 3 cannibals and 3 missionaries, to the other end of the river. So in doing that, we have only one boat available, and that boat is capable of accommodating only 2 people. And here the rule is, at any instant the number of cannibals should not be greater than the number of missionaries. Okay, so and the boat, no, so the boat is capable of accommodating 2 people at a time. So if 2 people crosses from this end to that end, again either one of them has to bring that boat back. That boat will not come by itself alone. Any one of them has to come in the boat. They have to bring that boat back, right? So this is the constraint. So these are some of the examples for state space concept. Okay, so with this we will wind up the state space concept topic. Okay, thank you.